Hello, this is Talon with Old Guy Stuff at Busy Corner Lane, and I'm going to show you how you can draw the basic triangles using geometry proofs using nothing more than a fake credit card, that you've got to prepare just by putting some holes in it. And this is vertical and horizontal, it's 90-degree angle, and these are all at 1/4 inch increments. So they do need to be equal, okay? You do need to have a consistent distance between the holes. Okay, so I'm going to start with the 3, 4, 5. Of course, we know the dimensions of 3, 4, 5 are 3, 4, 5. Or you could use multiples of that and have 6, 8, 10. Okay? This card will not let us go any more than 6, 8, 10. But if I want to go 6, 8, 10, I can do that. Just so I can have it bigger. But if I'm doing this for my notes, why did I do that? I'm doing this for my notes, then I might want to have 3, 4, 5 just so it's not too big. But if I have to write a lot inside the triangle or something, then I might want to make it bigger. Okay, so this is my 3, 4, 5 triangle. It's a right triangle. And this 3, 4, 5 is being done as a 6, 8, 10. So that's my first one. That's how I would do that. So whatever my multiple of 3 is here is going to be my multiple of 4 there, and that will give me my multiple of 5. Okay, let's go to 45, 45, 90 triangle. And the thing that we should all be remembering on that are the two legs that are connected by the vertex are congruent. Okay, so in this case, I'm just going to go 5. So I'm going to go from my 0 mark, I'm going to go up 5, and I'm going to go across 5. And then I'm going to connect them. Just connect the dots. Pretty much all it is once you get them marked out. There you go. And I did this as 5, so this is 5 and that's 5, which means this is 5 times the square root of 2, because no matter what your number is for your legs, you're going to multiply that by the square root of 2 to get your hypotenuse. Right. 30, 60, 90. It's going to sound strange, but we're going to use 4 and 7. Okay? So from my 0, I'm going to go up 4, and I'm going to go over 7. At the end, we're going to measure this protractor just to verify that we are getting 30 degrees, or pretty close to it. Now, if you're already the person that punches this up on a calculator and says, nope, it's not going to give you the right hypotenuse, well, you're right. But if you did this as an irrational number, it's going to only be off by 0.06. So that's close enough if you're just doing it for your notes. Okay, so I'm saying this is 30 degrees. This is 60 degrees. I said this is 4. This is 7. Okay, so if I need to have 8 based on what sine is saying, because my relationship of the opposite side and the hypotenuse is supposed to be the ratio of 1/2. So if this is 4, that's got to be 8. However, if you did the math on it, 4 squared plus 7 squared is going to be 65. So we're using the square root of 65. And the square root of 65 is 8.06, blah, 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 blah. A bunch of gobbledygook after that, right? So we're only off by 0.06. So, for just drawing a triangle in your notes, that is close enough. So I got this protractor deal here, and I can set it over here and try it out. And if you're checking, I'm right at 30 degrees. I mean, it's very hard to tell that I'm off. It's off by 0.06. So, if you don't have a template, can't afford a template, but you get these kind of things in the mail quite often, hey, use them. I make math templates out of it just by, putting little holes in here all the way across and up and down. My increments on this are 1/4 inch. I could have done that with centimeters if I wanted to, and still been able to make these triangles. So, my name is Talon. And I am a retired math teacher of 26 years. And I've had students come in quite often and say they couldn't do something because they didn't have, whatever. And we make it on the fly right there for them. Okay? There's no reason why you can't either. Okay? This is Old Guy Stuff at Busy Corner Lane. Have a safe, happy, peaceful, wonderful day, and goodbye.